10 tips for single moms dealing with postpartum depression. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. From delight and excitement to anxiety and fear, becoming a parent triggers a wide range of emotions. New moms aren't immune to the baby blues, but how do you deal with postpartum depression, a long-term and severe mood disorder? Around 1 in every 7 women suffers from postpartum depression. It can be harmful to both the mother and the child's health, but 1 in 5 women keep silent about their symptoms and go untreated as a result. Postpartum depression, unlike the baby blues, rarely goes away on its own. The illness can develop days or even months after your child is born, and it can linger for weeks or months without therapy. Postpartum depression is a treatable psychological disorder. It can be managed effectively, and you will feel better. But first and foremost, it is important to reach out to your healthcare provider and ask for help. Do not struggle with postnatal depression alone. It is not your fault that you are depressed, and being depressed does not make you a bad parent. Here are 10 steps to cope with postnatal depression, to be used together with guidance and advice from your doctor. 1. Establish a strong bond with your child. The stable attachment that develops between parents and children is known as an emotional bonding. Bonding successfully allows a child to feel safe enough to develop fully, and this bond will influence how they interact and build relationships throughout their lives. When you pay attention to and respond to your child's demands or emotional cues, such as picking them up, soothing them, or consoling them when they cry, you develop a strong bond. Being that dependable source of comfort allows your child to learn to control their own emotions and behaviors, which aids in their cognitive development. Early bonding can be hampered by postpartum depression, which makes it difficult to get through each day and limits your capacity to care for both your baby and yourself. According to a survey of 14,000 youngsters in the United States, 40% of the children did not have significant emotional relationships with their parents. Because of the lack of strong parental bonds, the children were more likely to have behavioral and educational issues. Some parents experience an immediate rush of love when they first see their infant, while others take longer. Do not be concerned or guilty if you have not yet formed a bond with your child. It can take weeks, or even months, to develop feelings of attachment, but it should happen over time. Both you and your child gain from learning to bond with your newborn. Close physical touch with your baby releases oxytocin, sometimes known as the love or cuddle hormone. Increased oxytocin levels help you feel better, more caring, and sensitive to other people's feelings, as well as making it easier to recognize nonverbal messages from your kid. 2. Skin-to-skin contact. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding your infant, attempt to do so with their bare skin against yours. Wrap a blanket across your baby's back to keep them warm if the room is cool. You can also skin-to-skin cradle your infant. Skin-to-skin contact relaxes you and your child while also strengthening your bond. Additional advantages: prolonged periods of sleep and alertness, reduced cold stress, improved weight gain, better brain development, decreased crying, and an earlier discharge from the hospital are all benefits of skin-to-skin contact. 3. Baby rubdown. Touch is an essential element of your child's development and helps to enhance the bonding process. In women with postpartum depression, baby rubdown has been demonstrated to reduce the intensity of symptoms. Sign up for a class, look up material or videos online, or read a book to learn how to rub down your infant properly. 4. Smile. Between the ages of 6 and 12 weeks, your baby will lose their reflex smile and offer you their first actual smile. When a woman watches her baby smile, parts of her brain connected with reward light up, according to research. The areas that are aroused are related to the dopamine neurotransmitter, and are the same areas that are activated in those who are addicted to drugs. Seeing your infant grin is akin to getting a natural high. Hold your infant 8 to 12 inches away from your face so that they can see you clearly, smile broadly, and say a warm hello in a cheerful tone to elicit a grin. 5. Singing to your kid has many benefits, regardless of the tempo, key, or if you are the finest or worst singer. in the world. In terms of holding your child's attention, singing is equally as successful as reading a book or playing with toys, and it's even more effective than listening to recorded music. Singing to your infant not only gives them the sensory stimulation they need to focus their attention, but it also gives you a break from the negative thoughts that come with depression while also empowering you as a parent. 6. Take care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is one of the best ways to relieve or prevent postpartum depression. Simple lifestyle choices, some of which are here in the video, that can improve your health and mood, and help you to feel more like yourself again. Consume omega-3 fatty acids. During pregnancy, eating a diet high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in oily fish like herring and salmon, may reduce the incidence of postpartum depression. It could also be a viable therapy option for postpartum depression. 7. Nap. Sleep when the baby sleeps is a common adage used by individuals offering new parents advice that most parents scoff at. Getting any kind of sleep while caring for a baby is, after all, a difficult undertaking. Women with postpartum depression take longer to fall asleep and sleep for shorter periods than women without the disorder. Furthermore, the poorer their sleep quality, the more severe their depression. If you have family or friends who can watch your infant while you nap, take advantage of their assistance. Get outside and enjoy the sunshine. Your mood will be substantially improved by exposure to sunlight and fresh air. Take the stroller for a spin and aim to get outside for at least 10 to 15 minutes each day, even if your hair is a disaster or your kid has to spit up on your favorite pair of yoga pants. 8. Pamper yourself. Take some time out from your mom's duties and take small steps to indulge yourself. Catch up on your favorite show, take a bubble bath, or perhaps light some soothing scented candles. 9. Slowly reintroduce exercise. Studies have demonstrated that physical activity might help to combat postpartum depression. Exercising during the postpartum period is an efficient way to achieve better psychological well-being as well as ease the symptoms of postpartum depression. Exercise, according to the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, helps to strengthen abdominal muscles, decrease stress, promote better sleep, and increase vitality. If you had a healthy pregnancy and an uneventful vaginal delivery, you can start mild exercise just a few days after giving birth. Ask your doctor when you can start exercising if you've had issues or cesarean delivery. Walking is an excellent place to start because it allows you to push your stroller at the same time. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity per day. Even 10 minutes of exercise can be beneficial to your body. Your local fitness club may run classes that interest you, such as dance, spinning, Pilates, or yoga. Specific postpartum classes are sometimes available at gyms, and there are also classes to which you can bring your baby. If going to a gym is not something that interests you, then there are several fitness DVDs and online fitness programs that you can do from the comfort and privacy of your home. Create a network of people who can help you. Humans are social animals who need to engage with others. Positive social contacts and emotional support may serve as a protective element in reducing stress and coping with life's challenges. New mothers may experience feelings of isolation and overwhelm as they adjust to their new roles. According to research, loneliness causes severe feelings of isolation, a sense of being alienated from people, and a sense of not belonging. Loneliness has also been linked to high blood pressure, sleep problems, weakened immunity, and heart disease risk factors. Receiving social and emotional support from others can improve your self-esteem and sense of independence, allowing you to better cope with issues on your own. To gain from social and emotional support, you don't need a large network of close friends and relatives. Some people benefit from having a small circle of friends and co-workers, or other parents they've met through parenting groups or mommy and me classes. If you're having trouble connecting, don't give up. New friendships and connections can be made. Seek out other women who are going through a similar experience with parenthood. It can be reassuring to hear that others share the same feelings, worries, and insecurities. Try out baby and toddler classes, join your local mom's Facebook group, or download the apps, Peanut or Mush, to connect with other parents nearby. Your pediatrician can also recommend available resources in your neighborhood. 10. Psychotherapy and medicine are two options to consider. If you've tried self-help, made lifestyle changes, and sought advice but still don't feel better, your doctor may recommend medication, psychotherapy, or a combination of the two. Psychotherapy, also known as mental health counseling or talk therapy, can assist you in discussing your worries and thoughts, setting realistic objectives, and learning to respond constructively to situations. If your depression is severe or other therapies have failed to relieve your symptoms, antidepressants may be prescribed. If you're breastfeeding, your doctor will take it into account when prescribing your prescription. The effectiveness of a particular antidepressant in treating postpartum depression may be explained by research. Citalopram, which belongs to a class of medications known as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors and is marketed under the brand name Celexa, was discovered to help re-establish connections between cells in brain regions disrupted by stress during pregnancy. Other research suggests that if you can't handle going to face-to-face talking therapy sessions, internet-based cognitive behavior therapy could help you dramatically alleviate your stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms. Remember, experiencing postpartum is nobody's fault. It is a medical condition that requires treatment. Postpartum depression can make the already stressful period immediately following childbirth even more difficult. The sooner you can get help with managing your depression, the sooner you can begin to enjoy your baby and motherhood. If you are thinking about harming either yourself or your baby, put your baby down in their crib immediately and call a family member, friend, or one of the following helplines: 1-800-SUICIDE, 1-800-784-2433, 1-800-273-TALK, 1-800-273-8555, or 1-800-PPD-MOMS, 1-800-773-66667. As always, ladies, we thank you for watching and we hope this brings value to you. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos.